Should you get Elementor Pro for your website? In my opinion, yes, but let me tell you exactly why and what features you get with the Elementor Pro version. First off, you get more blocks and templates that you can use directly from Elementor Pro into your own pages, whether you want to customize a product page, a simple landing page for your services, a home page, or even need blocks for certain areas of your page. Elementor has a bunch of them. They continuously add more of them that you can use directly from Elementor. This helps you out in customizing a page a lot faster. It gives you ideas and inspiration because they have a bunch of templates there, especially for interior designers or fashion stores, or anything that you need is in there, and you can use those as inspiration or just insert them in your page, delete what blocks you don't want, and customize your page like that. The quick tip: on this channel we talk about website design and social media marketing for business, and if you enjoy these kinds of topics, make sure to subscribe down below. Now, the next Elementor feature that I think you would find really useful if you get the Pro version are the WooCommerce drag and drop elements that you don't get with the free version. I like using these to customize my WooCommerce pages, my product pages, my shop pages, categories, and all that. So basically with the free version you don't get these features, but with the Pro version, once you install it and you go to Elementor to customize your shop page, for example, you get the option of dragging and dropping a certain product, dragging and dropping a certain list of products, and you can choose the exact products that you want to be featured. You can use this to customize your homepage and add which products you want to show up there, or you can do this to customize each category page the way you want it. You can have collections pages customized really nicely with a banner or anything else, any details that you want, text, and then just display the products down there. There are a bunch of things that you can do to customize your WooCommerce shop with Elementor, and if you want to learn more about that, you can watch this video right here. But these are features that I find really useful with Elementor Pro. For Elementor Pro, I'm also loving other premium features such as dragging and dropping WP forms, including forms in your website. You are able to add a navigation menu whenever you want it. If you want to create a special landing page for your services, for example, and you want the footer to have a certain menu, you can do that within Elementor Pro. The next thing that I love about Elementor Pro is that they have a customized theme builder. You can create your own theme within Elementor Pro. If you haven't found a theme that you love in WordPress, if you're looking for one, you might want to check out this video right here in which I talk about WordPress themes for female bloggers or entrepreneurs. Not only, you can customize them with your own color, so if you like their style, go check them out. But for the Elementor Pro theme builder, you have the possibility of using the Hello Elementor theme as a base for your theme. Then, once you go to Elementor theme builder, you are able to customize your website's header. You can choose which menus you want to appear there, how the menu should look. You can choose the error page, how you want that to look for your theme to be set up specifically for your preferences. You can also customize your website's footer and then just have that inserted in your theme. So you can customize and build an entire Elementor theme with the Elementor theme builder. And this is a feature that I think will be very handy for you guys if you want to customize a website like only you have. Even though purchasing a theme is a lot easier, maybe you want to create your own themes to sell, and the Elementor Pro theme builder is a great way to start doing that, or experiment with building a theme with Elementor. You can also customize your blog page and decide how many rows it should have, how the blog page should look, if it should have a sidebar or not, a shop page, and everything else that is included in this theme builder. Now, if you found these features helpful and you want to check out Elementor Pro, a link is down below, so you can do that from there. You can get it for 1 site, 5 sites, 25 sites, as many sites as you need. If you have clients and you're working for a client to design their website, I think Elementor Pro is a great way to do that because it allows maximum creativity and you can have maximum freedom about what you want to include in that website. Now, if you're looking for somebody to design your website from scratch in the way that is unique, you can get my website design services below, or if you need to grow your business with social media, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, you can contact me using the form in the landing page below. So that was it for this video. I hope you found these Elementor Pro features helpful. If you want to check out Elementor, the link is down below, and don't hesitate to at least try Elementor, the free version, before you get the Pro version to see what features you get and see if you like working with it first. You can follow me on Instagram right here at lydia.incomingsuccess, and if you want to learn more about doing YouTube marketing, and growing a successful YouTube channel, you can check out my Lydia's channel strategy channel below. If you're Romanian and watching this video and want to watch these videos in your native language, make sure to check out my Romanian channel in the description below. As always, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends if you found it helpful, and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video.